today I'm going to discuss about the probabilities and normal distribution. So first, let's define the normal distribution. Normal distribution is a symmetrical shape distribution of probability. Its graph is continuous with the mean, median, and the mode on the center. It is defined by two parameters, mean and mean, and the standard deviation sigma. So this is the bell. When we say bell shape, it looks like this. So the mean is in the center. So when we say symmetric, it is balanced 50% mean and 50% So the area under the normal curve that lies within one is about 68%. And the mean that lies within number 2 is about 95%. So in A, it is 99.7%. So that's the normal distribution. Let's move on to the standard normal distribution. Standard normal distribution is a special case of the normal distribution where mu is equal to 0 and sigma is equal to 1. So wherein the normal distribution can be converted to the standard normal distribution by obtaining the z value. A z value is a sign distance between a selected value designated as x. X or the root r. And the mean. So here's the solution when solving the standard normal distribution. C square is equal to the mean minus mu over the sigma. This is the example of the C square table. So for example, suppose a hypoparabolic wheel is normally distributed with a mean of 170 centimeter and a standard deviation of 6. What is the probability that a random selected point is selected? So first, we're going to find yan kung ano yung kapantay niya sa 2.5. So, the answer is 2.5. We're just going to 0. So, the designated value is 99.38 or is equal to 99.5. 0.99. So, in the application of normal distribution, ganito yung so the mean is at the center or the 170. So you're just going to find the value of 185. To find the other mean in this column, you're just going to add 6 to 170. So 170 plus 1 plus 6 is 176. 176 plus 6 is 182. 182 plus 6 is equal to 188. So, the 185 centimeter is between 182 and 188. So, it's in the center, or the 2.5. So, what is important here is that you circle this answer because the C-score is equal to 2.5 that corresponds to the raw score 185 centimeter.